Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Masse Art Studios. I'm Jeremy, and as you can see, no studio hubby here today. That's because he's in San Francisco working for the week, and it's all on me, which I'm really excited about. I can't wait to get to the table and paint for you guys, and yeah, I'm just really excited. You know how I get nervous whenever I'm in front of the camera, so... But anyway, I'm going to be doing a straight pour for you guys today. The colors that I'm choosing are really interesting. I really am kind of curious about how they're going to go. So why don't we go ahead and get to the table and let's see what happens. Hey guys, it's Jeremy here, and I am super excited about today's pour. As you heard in the intro, Studio Hubby's not here with me today. So I chose some really interesting colors, some that probably he would have not chosen, but I'm really excited about it, and we're gonna see where this leads us. I will be doing a straight pour today, and the colors that I chose are Green Gold by Goldens. They are Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. They are Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. We have Liquitex Basics Rose Pink. We have the Amsterdam Pearl Red, which I love. This one I'm in love with. I just discovered this. Iridescent Blue Black by Pebeo, or Pebeo, however you say it. Pebeo. And those are my colors. Oh, I also have the 24 karat Deco Arts metallic gold right here. Yes, it's beautiful and luscious. So those are my colors. I will be doing a straight pour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flood my canvas with Payne's Gray. Actually, that's gonna be my base coat. And then I'm gonna do a straight pour into that. So let's go ahead and get to layering my cup. Let's see here. I think I'm going to start out with a little bit of the Pearl Red. Just a little bit of that at the bottom of the cup. Next I'm going to go in with, I think, a little bit of the gold, actually. Just a touch. Just a touch of the gold. Next I'm going to go in with, I believe, go ahead and do some of this blue black. Next I think I'm going to actually go in with some of this rose pink. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that Pearl Red. Then I think I'm going to go in with some of this luscious Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the golds. Then I think I'm going to go in with some of this green gold here. Such a striking color. Next, I think I'm going to go in with I think I'm going to do a little bit of Payne's Gray here. I know this was going to be my base coat, but I think I need to put some of that in here. And then from there, I'm going to add some more of the Pearl Red. Then I'm going to go in with the rose pink again. Then from there, I think I'm going to go back in with the blue black. I love this blue black. It's so beautiful. A little gold. And then I'm going to top it off with some of the turquoise blue. Oops. Oh my gosh. It is so hot in the studio, you guys. I am dripping with sweat right now. I mean, just dripping. It's crazy. Okay, so that is one amazing layered cup. Interesting, interesting, interesting colors. Now let's go ahead and get to flooding my canvas. See how this straight pour goes. I am really interested to see what's going to happen. Oh, let me torch off the canvas real quick. All right, now I'm ready. Let's do this. Very interesting. Very interesting. I can't wait to see what this looks like whenever I open this up. So, what time is it? It is tilting time after I torch. All right, let's tilt this bad boy out. Not hating it. I actually kind of really like what's happening. I know that this is gonna dry darker, so I'm really interested to see what's gonna look like when it dried dark. But that gold and that pink really mixed together. And I love the turquoise and the green, how this looks like seaweed, almost like kelp. And so it's kind of like this interesting underwater, like abalone-ish kind of mermaidy painting that just came out of this. Pink really took over, really took over, but I do love everything that's happening with it. What would I do different next time? Not put pink second paint color in the bottom of the thing. I should have used the blue black, but I'm wondering, I have enough paint. I'm wondering if I should pour again. I think I'm gonna pour again. I'm gonna get another cup. I'm gonna layer another cup. Now, let's see what happens with this second cup. I'm loving experimenting, you guys. This is so much fun. So let's see here. There's so much interest going on here now. All right, Tilting Time 2.0. Tilting Time. Oh yeah, I like that so much better. This came out really cool. Loving this. I'm gonna keep this as is, like this. I love the gold in there. It has like this orangey sunset kind of gold to it. And yeah, this is great. I'm in love with this now. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep it as is. I'm gonna torch it and I'm gonna take you guys in for a close-up. So there you have it. Very interesting, very interesting. That pink in the first pour really took over and did a lot of interesting things with it. It kind of looked like a meaty inside of an abalone shell or something. It was kind of crazy. So I didn't really like it that much. It was okay, but I knew that I could probably do a little bit better. So that second pour, I really liked a lot. I love that blue black by Pabeo. I'm definitely gonna have to use that more. I do love how it came out. I can't wait to see it dry because you know those colors are gonna dry very rich. So I will have to keep you posted up on that. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It means the world. And Thanks, guys. Thanks for being here with me for this episode. I will see you later. Bye.